I'm a part of the Dustbusters team, and we're the team for Colorado School of Mines, competing for Over the Dusty Moon, OTDM. So this is an international competition. The main goal is to transport lunar regolith from point A to point B.
So this is the first year of this competition. It's co-hosted by Mines and Lockheed Martin. They want to facilitate the entire lunar ecosystem. Extracting lunar water ice is very essential. Without water, we can't make rocket fuel, we obviously can't drink anything, and we can't sustainably live there.
Mass is super expensive, especially in sending it up in rockets. So if we could actually do, it's called in situ resource utilization within the lunar environment, we can actually utilize lunar resources and convert those into construction material, metals that can actually be used to build infrastructure on the moon itself.
Hopefully, we see this within a decade.
End goal, I think, is to try to develop this technology as much as possible. Hopefully the sponsor Lockheed Martin actually can take this technology and utilize it for something for themselves or for NASA themselves.